In this video, we are going to talk about how to fix Pluto TV active link not working, activation code fix and device pairing. Fix 1. Get a fresh activated code. First of all, you have to download a Bluetooth TV app on your television or streaming device like Roku Fire Stick and Smart TV, etc. Then you have to navigate to active or sign in screen. Then their 6-digit activation code will be displayed. If the code is outdated or expired, exit the app and restart it to generate a new code. Fix 2. Visit the official activation website. First of all, you have to open the web browser, then navigate to bluetooth.tv/activate. Ensure the URL is accurate. Logged into your Bluetooth TV account, then you have to enter the 6-digit code displayed on your TV and submit it. Fix 3. Check your internet. Ensure your TV or streaming device has a stable internet connection. The device used to enter the code must be connected to the internet. If expiring slow or unstable connection, restart your router and attempt to process again. Fix 4. Update and restart devices. First of all, you have to update the Bluetooth TV app to the latest version and ensure your TV or streaming device operating the system is up to date. Restart your TV or streaming device. Power cycle your router by unplugging it for 30 seconds. Fix 5. Clear app and browser cache. Clearing cache for the Bluetooth TV app, smart TVs and streaming device. First of all, you have to open the TV setting, then you have to navigate to apps, then application, then app manager. Then there you have to locate and select the Bluetooth TV from the list, then tap on clear cache. Once that is done, you have to restart the TV and open the Bluetooth TV again. Then you have to clear the browser cache. For that, you have to open the Chrome browser and tap on the menu, like clicking on the three dots. Then there you have to select the history, then clear the browsing data, choosing time range, and you have to choose that into all time. Then check the box for clear image and files and cookies and site data. Then you have to tap on clear data to confirm, close and reopen the browser. So this will all help you to resolve the issue. Thanks for watching.